Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama sallaita ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Allahumma barik ala Muhammadin wa ala ali Muhammadin kama barakta ala Ibrahim wa ala ali Ibrahim innaka Hamidum Majid. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to write beautiful Allah name with double pencils and by using simple markers. So let's start. First of all, join two pencils and write Allah in this way. In today's calligraphy, we will not only write Allah name but also write a beautiful ayah of Quran in this circle. So here I have written the first ayah of Surah Nur. And now after that we will move ahead, and by taking green marker we will trace our pencil. Here I'll use the combination of different colors. You can also use any other combination of colors instead of that combination. So here you can watch easily that here I'm using dark green marker and tracing over the pencil. And now by using the same marker we will trace this circle. And by using the same marker we will draw these things in the circle. And after that the use of green marker become completed. And here now we will move ahead, and by using red marker draw these type of dots here to make a beautiful design of our calligraphy. And after that now we will move ahead, and by taking yellow marker we will draw a single dot in the three dots. And now here we will take a light green marker and write this ayah with it. And if you don't have subscribed my channel, then subscribe my channel and like this video. And if you have any question, then tell me in comment. I will tell you what's the answer of that question. And here you can watch easily that we have written ayah of Quran here with that marker. And now we will use it in the filling portion, and we will fill the some parts of this calligraphy in this way. And it's the last marker of our this calligraphy. And after that we will erase the extra pencil, and our calligraphy become completed. Now here you can watch easily that the work of our light green marker is near to complete. Now we will move ahead, and by taking eraser we will erase all the pencil. After erasing all the pencil from this calligraphy, our calligraphy become completed. Now here we will take a red marker and draw these type of things on this ayah, and after that our calligraphy become completed. Thanks for watching video. Allah Hafiz.